Hello everyone and welcome to WordPress User TV. I'm your host Mac. So recently I've been getting quite a few emails where people were asking me about how to do things in WordPress. So what I decided to do was to dedicate Friday to videos specifically to do with WordPress. So this is going to be WordPress website tutorials every Friday. So we're going to kick off this week with WordPress contact forms. Now, if you haven't built your website yet and you're thinking of building a website, one of the most important things you're going to need is good hosting. So I'm giving away a full course on WordPress mastery. Now, this course covers pretty much everything you need to know about WordPress. So all you have to do to get that course is to buy your hosting through my affiliate link, which will give you 57%. And once you've signed up for your hosting, all you need to do is to send me your receipt number or reference number, and I will give you access to the full WordPress course. So in this video, we're going to be doing WordPress contact forms. So let's dive in and let me show you how to set it up. So here we are on our brand new installed WordPress website. So you can see here, there's nothing much going on. So let's log into our WordPress admin dashboard. And by doing that, you'll be able to make some customization. So I'm already logged in, so I'm going to come over here, click on dashboard, and this is our main dashboard area. So what we need to do is to come over here to plugins, click on add new. So before I install the plugin, I need to explain something very important. Now, when you install WordPress, pretty much what you get is a base, and then you can customize it by adding plugins, themes to make it look the way you want it to look. So out of the box, WordPress does not come in with a way for people to contact you using a contact form. So this is why you need to add a contact form. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a plugin. So I'm going to come over here and search for the plugin. So the plugin is called Contact Form 7. So I'm just adding the Contact Form 7. This is one of the most popular ones. So I'm just searching for this, and the first one that comes up here is the one. And you can see here it has quite high ratings, and also it's been installed on over 1 million active websites. Okay, so what we want to do now is to click on install. Okay, now after installing this plugin, what we need to do is to go straight away and click on activate. So I'm going to do that right now. Click on activate. Right, so now we have our contact form here. The next thing we need to do is add a page, a contact page. Now, I haven't got a contact page yet because this is a brand new WordPress install. So let me show you how to add that page. So all you need to do is to come over here to pages, click on add new right here at the top. We're going to call this contact. Right, so that's all we need to do, and then click publish. So by clicking publish, that means people now have access to this contact page. So what we need to do next is to come over here to contact. Now this entry here has been introduced because we've just installed the plugin. So I'm going to click on contact. So we can see here there's already a form called Contact Form 1 that's been added. Now all we have to do now is to copy this shortcode. Okay, so I'm going to copy it by just right clicking and clicking on copy. So now that I've copied it, what I'm going to do is to click on edit here. Click on the second tab called Mail. Now what you need to do by default when you set up your WordPress website, it will have your admin email as the email that this form will be sent to. So this is why I have mac@creativeastro. But you can go in and customize this to your own personal email. This could be a Yahoo email or Gmail or whatever it is. So whenever people fill in that form, all the emails will go to that email address. Okay, so I'm going to leave this as it is right now. We can come here into messages. You can have your thank you messages here and customize this. But to be honest, I don't really touch any of that because the defaults are working fine. So what we need to do next, now that we've copied our shortcode, is to go to the contact page. So I'm going to come over here to pages, click on all pages to view all our pages on our website. I'm going to click on edit to edit our contact page. Now let me just show you this page and show you what it looks like before I add the shortcode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and click on view page, but I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so we can see here there's nothing on there. Okay, so I'm just going to come back to this tab and I'm going to add my shortcode. So this shortcode is going to bring our contact form like magic. Okay, so I'm going to click on update. Now I'm going to come to this page, contact page, and refresh. So now if I refresh, look, now we have a contact form. So it requires you to add your name, your email address, the subject line, and also your message. Now, when this is sent, as I mentioned before, this form or this contents of this form will be sent to the email that we set on the contact form page settings. Okay, so pretty much this is how you add a contact form. This is a solid way. It works really, really well. And this is the way I recommend. And by the way, this plugin is absolutely free. So you can just go in and download it and start using it. Now, as I mentioned before, if you want to learn how to design professional looking websites using WordPress, I have a complete course that will show you step by step how to do this. And you can get this course absolutely free if you buy your hosting through my affiliate link, which I'll leave in the comments box below. Okay, thanks a lot. And next Friday, we'll be working on something else. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to be notified when I release new WordPress tips. All right, thanks for watching and see you soon.